Hey, it's here, the Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2024. Not gonna lie, feels kind of light. It seems to be some kitsch scrunchies. These cute little bows at the end. I have a Good Molecules pot product, which there always is one. This year we got the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. We have a brush, Sonia G brush, which that makes me very excited because these are very expensive. Fundamental pencil brush. This is the Herbivore Milky Way. 10% AHA and oat soothing exfoliating serum. We have a Mob Beauty product. This is the lip capsule, so I'm assuming there's probably a lipstick coming with it. But here's the lips. This is the shade M63. I'm assuming this is the shade, which would be really, really pretty. Ooh, a Charlotte Tilbury Blush and Glow Glide Palette. Let's open this up because I'm actually very curious. That is beautiful. Wayne Goss. It is the Luxury Eye Palette in Amber. Right up my alley. That is the box. So I paid $103 Canadian plus shipping. Total value of this box was $293.50. So I'd say it's a pretty good bag. Probably the last year I'm gonna get this.